Are you looking for alternative woodworking options to make money from home? Then use scrap wood pieces for high profit margins on your creations. The benefits of using scrap wood to make wooden decorative pieces and small furniture are manifold. From promoting sustainability and creativity to enhancing economic opportunities and personal well-being, this practice offers a rewarding avenue for artisans and hobbyists alike. The unique character of scrap wood, combined with its versatility and affordability, allows for the creation of one-of-a-kind pieces that resonate with consumers seeking individuality and authenticity. As more individuals recognize the value of repurposing materials, the art of working with scrap will continue to flourish, contributing to a more sustainable and connected woodworking community. Through this practice, woodworkers not only create beautiful items, but also play a vital role in fostering a culture of resourcefulness and environmental stewardship. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wooden decorative pieces and small furniture ideas you can make with scrap wood. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Using scrap wood to create wooden decorative pieces and small furniture is an increasingly popular practice that offers significant economic advantages. This approach not only promotes sustainable craftsmanship, but also provides a cost-effective solution for individuals and businesses alike. The economic benefits of utilizing scrap wood are multifaceted, encompassing savings on materials, opportunities for small business ventures, skill development, and overall financial efficiency. One of the primary reasons using scrap wood is economical is the substantial cost savings associated with it. New lumber can be expensive, especially when purchasing high-quality hardwoods. By repurposing scrap wood, artisans and hobbyists can minimize their material costs significantly. This affordability makes woodworking more accessible, allowing individuals with limited budgets to engage in creative projects without the financial strain of sourcing new materials. For those looking to furnish their homes or create unique decorative pieces, using scrap wood can lead to impressive savings while still achieving beautiful results. The economic advantages extend beyond material costs. When individuals use scrap wood, they tap into a form of resourcefulness that can lead to reduced waste and lower disposal costs. Many woodworkers are keenly aware of the environmental impact of their work, and by repurposing scrap wood, they contribute to sustainability efforts. This not only aligns with eco-friendly values, but can also appeal to consumers who are increasingly seeking environmentally responsible products. As a result, artisans who create items from scrap wood can differentiate themselves in the marketplace, potentially commanding higher prices for their unique, sustainable offerings. Another economic benefit of using scrap wood is the potential for generating income through small business ventures. Many individuals have turned their woodworking hobbies into profitable side businesses or full-time enterprises by selling handmade items crafted from scrap wood. The demand for unique, handmade furniture and decorative pieces continues to rise, particularly among consumers who appreciate the charm and character of artisanal products. By leveraging scrap wood, woodworkers can create a wide range of items without incurring significant material costs, allowing for better profit margins. This entrepreneurial spirit not only fosters creativity, but also provides a viable income stream for those passionate about woodworking. Moreover, the practice of using scrap wood encourages skill development and mastery of the craft. For novice woodworkers, working with scrap materials allows for experimentation and learning without the fear of wasting expensive resources. This hands-on approach promotes creativity and innovation, enabling individuals to refine their techniques and develop their styles. As they gain experience, woodworkers can tackle more complex projects leading to higher quality products that may fetch better prices in the market. The skills acquired through working with scrap can also translate into opportunities for professional advancement. Whether through workshops, teaching, or collaborations with other artisans. In addition to skill development, utilizing scrap can foster a sense of community among woodworkers. Many enthusiasts share their projects, techniques, and tips online, creating a supportive environment for learning and growth. This camaraderie can lead to collaborations and partnerships that enhance creative output and economic viability. By connecting with others, woodworkers can gain insights into market trends, pricing strategies, and best practices for selling their products, further bolstering their economic success. The versatility of scrap wood is another factor that contributes to its economic advantages. Scrap wood can be transformed into various decorative pieces and small furniture items, allowing woodworkers to diversify their product offerings. This adaptability ensures that artisans can cater to different tastes and preferences, increasing their market reach. By creating a range of items, woodworkers can attract a broader customer base, enhancing their sales potential. Additionally, the ability to create custom pieces from scrap can lead to higher customer satisfaction and repeat business, further solidifying the economic benefits of this practice. From a financial management perspective, using scrap can improve overall efficiency in woodworking projects. By minimizing waste and maximizing resource use, woodworkers can streamline their operations. This efficiency not only reduces costs associated with purchasing new materials, but also lowers the environmental impact of their work. Efficient use of scrap can lead to better project planning and execution, ultimately resulting in higher quality finished products. Customers often perceive well-crafted items as more valuable, which can lead to increased sales and customer loyalty. The appeal of handmade items crafted from scrap also aligns with current consumer trends that favor unique, sustainable products. Many consumers are willing to pay a premium for items that reflect their values, including sustainability and individuality. By using scrap wood, artisans can position themselves as environmentally responsible creators, attracting a demographic that prioritizes ethical consumption. This alignment with consumer preferences can enhance marketability and profitability, making the economic case for using scrap even stronger. Furthermore, the practice of repurposing scrap can lead to increased creativity and innovation in design. Working with readily available materials encourages woodworkers to think outside the box and develop unique solutions to material constraints. This creativity can result in distinctive pieces that stand out in the market, allowing artisans to carve out a niche for themselves. The ability to create one-of-a-kind items from scrap not only enhances the artistic value of their work, but also provides a competitive edge in a crowded marketplace. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative wooden decorative pieces and small furniture ideas you can make with scrap wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.